What's up guys, welcome back to the channel that shows you how to maintain your motorcycle and takes you along the journey where I'll be installing $2,000 worth of upgrades on my Triumph Bonneville T100 Black. I apologize for the long wait since the last video. I know it's been over a month. However, I sold my last camera. I had a Canon 5D Mark III. I ended up selling that and buying the Fuji X-T2, which I'm filming on right now. It's a lot smaller, more nimble. All around, it's a great camera. Highly recommend it. In any case, I lent my buddy my bike the other day to take his DMV driving test here in San Francisco, and on the little circle roundabout, he ended up dropping it and busting the left mirror and the shift lever down by your left foot. So I decided to make this video. Hopefully it's 5 minutes or less. The point is to show you how to change your broken shift lever. Let's go. Alright guys, thank you so much again for joining me in this third installment of the video series where I show you how to install $2,000 worth of upgrades to your motorcycle, as well as just the basics of motorcycle maintenance as you saw in the first video. I think from here on out, I'm going to make the videos a lot shorter than the first two I put out. Somewhere between 3 at the shortest and 8 minutes at the long end. So hopefully somewhere around the 6 or 7 minute mark. And instead of incorporating 6 to 8 upgrades in one video, I think somewhere between the 1 to 3 upgraded parts per video. Keep it shorter, keep it more condensed, and hopefully you guys will appreciate that more and not have to sit there for me blabbing along forever and unboxing things and talking about where I bought it from. I know you guys want to just get to the content right away, so hopefully I can do that for you. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure to keep an eye out for the next video in this series. Catch you guys next time.